Well, these are my 3 Fantom Wildcats. First one I got was this blue one. I got it last summer from a guy on Vacuum Land who lives maybe an hour and a half away from me. It's the nicest one I have. It needed a brush roll bearing, and then this green one and this red one I got from a vacuum shop about a 45-minute drive from my house. This one is pretty much fully functional, except the handle release is broken, plus this upper cord hook is loose, so I have to take it apart and fix that. And this one is missing the brush roll, as well as the upper cord hook and the bumper. So I have to somehow find those parts. I'm going to go back to that vacuum shop at some point, because he has a couple more Fantoms that I'm gonna pick up eventually. They were in his basement, and I'm assuming they had been there for quite a while, I would assume. Turns out he was actually a Fantom service center back in the day, so that's, I think, why he had so many Fantoms. So I got these 2 Wildcats, plus that crosswind, which is a total mess. Needs major work done to it, needs a motor, it had a lot of missing pieces, so I had to kind of put it back together using parts from a Fantom Cyclone XT. I also got the Kenmore Destiny 3000 from him, and I have a motor for that, so I just thought I would run this Wildcat quickly, just thought, you know, often see all 3 colors of the Wildcat all together.